Hi, a warm welcome to you. As part of this series of videos, I'll be publishing videos on trigonometry, and this will be our first video where we will go through the introduction to trigonometry, why we have to study trigonometry, what actually involves trigonometry, and what we are going to learn as part of 10th grade syllabus of trigonometry. Okay, so I'll be covering only up to the 10th grade, then I'll publish another series of videos. We will take 11th and 12th into 11th and 12th also into consideration. Okay, now let's learn what is trigonometry. Okay, right. Now, as the name suggests, trigonometry, there are various definitions, but trigonometry, some of them the definition is metry is measurement, trigono is measurement of triangle sides. Some say that it's a measurement of angles of the triangle, but whatever it is always measurement of the triangles. Okay, so what triangles will have? Triangles will have sides, and the triangles will have angles. So what you want to do with trigonometry is you want to create relationships between the sides of a triangle or between the angles of a triangle. That means if this is my triangle, this is my triangle, okay, let me say this is equal to A, this is equal to B, this is equal to C, and these angles are alpha and beta. You know this angle is always 90 degrees. Always trigonometry will be considering only right angle triangles. So you want to say some relationship where you will say A by B is equal to something of alpha. What is? Okay. Similarly, you want to do some relationship between them. That's what actually is the trigonometry. Now let us try to learn it in a interesting way. What exactly trigonometry is? Okay. Now let me just erase this. I'll be back with you. Okay, right. Now let us that you and your friend, okay, yeah, let us say that as we are now learning trigonometry, right? Suppose say that you and your friend want to learn about trigonometry. So you decided that you want to go to the trigonometry monument. There is a historical monument which says trigonometry rules, where you can find all the information about the trigonometry. So you thought that you and your friend will visit the trigonometry monument. Okay, you started, you went to the place where the trigonometry monument is, and you are about to reach the trigonometry monument. So suddenly your friend said, okay, by the way, is there any way how I can find out the height of this trigonometry tower without actually measuring it physically? Then you are into thought process. Oh, I think that's what trigonometry teaches us. Yes, correct. What trigonometry teaches you? Trigonometry teaches you how to find out the relation between the different sides of a triangle. Okay. Now then you observed that you have looked, you have told your friend, okay, I don't know how to find out the height of this tower, but exactly I know somebody just helped me and told me that the distance between the tower and where we are horizontally on the ground is nothing but 4 miles. Okay, then you thought that, okay, is there any way how I can correlate this height of the tower to the horizontal distance so that I can say that what is the height of the tower? Okay, now I come to your rescue and I say that, okay, you are in trouble, let me help you out. I am telling you, suppose you are looking from here, right? Let me say this angle is, let me say this angle is alpha. By the way, you have observed that you are forming a right angle triangle, right? You know the horizontal distance, you want to find out the vertical distance, and your eye of sight is towards the highest point of the trigonometry tower because you want to learn about trigonometry. Okay, now you want to find out the relation between x and 4. Okay, so I came to your rescue and said that, okay, don't worry, I know by some means using trigonometry that this is equal to 1 by 2. You are very happy. Then immediately you will use your mathematical knowledge and say that x by 4 is nothing but equal to, you have given me as 1 by 2. So immediately you will tell me x is nothing but equal to 4 by 2, that is nothing but equal to 2. So if this is 4 kilometer or meter or feet, whatever it is, right, if it is 4 units, then this is nothing but equal to 2 units. Now sounds simple and pretty interesting, right? Let me repeat that what we are saying. You and your friend went to visit the Trigonometry monument. Okay, just about to reach the Trigonometry historical monument, your friend said, okay, by the way, anyway I can find out the height of this Trigonometry tower without actually measuring it. Then you said that, no, I don't know about that, but I know somebody just now told me that if you go 4 kilometers or whatever it is, right, if maybe I'll take kilometers, if you say 4 kilometers, if you move 4 kilometers horizontally, you will be reaching the Trigonometry monument. So I know that my horizontal distance is 4 and I have to find out the tower. If I look at the height of the tower, I observe that I am creating a right angle triangle. I observe that I am creating a right angle triangle. This is the right angle triangle what I am creating. This is the right angle triangle what I am creating. Let me just this is it, right? This is the right angle triangle what I am creating. So now I see that, okay, right angle triangle. Now how I will find out the relation between this and this, because whenever I am working with right angle triangles, I know only Pythagoras theorem, and with that you are giving me two sides and asking me to find out the sides. I apply Pythagoras theorem, but I am not aware of how to find the relation between the two sides of a right angle triangle. Then I pass through by, then I come to your rescue and I say that, okay, don't worry, I use some mathematical calculations like it called as trigonometrical ratios, and by that I can tell you that from here, if you are looking, your opposite distance by your adjacent distance, right, nothing but your vertical distance by your horizontal distance is nothing but 1 by 2. You thank me and you turn to your friend and say, okay, by the way, this gentleman helped me, now I know x by 4 equal to 1 by 2. I can apply the mathematical basic concepts and I can tell you that x equal to 2. Now how I gave you the value of 1 by 2? I said that I have used the trigonometrical ratios. What trigonometrical ratios give? Trigonometrical ratios give me the relationship between, or the ratio between the sides of the triangle. Relationship, or they give me ratio between the sides of a right angle triangle. These are called as trigonometrical ratios. So using trigonometrical ratios, 1 minute, let me erase this. Ratio, relationship or ratio of sides of a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Okay, are you with me? This is how the trigonometry started. So in nutshell, trigonometry is used whenever trigonometry is used to find out inaccessible horizontal or vertical distances like Mount Everest, like Statue of Liberty, like Empire State Building, like Qutub Minar in India. Whenever you want to find out height of that, you know the horizontal distance. If you know the angle of elevation, or sometimes it can be angle of depression. Elevation is you are looking upwards, depression is you are from height you are looking downwards. If you are able to know that, then what you can do is you can use some trigonometrical formula, you can use some mathematical formula on this angle of elevation or depression, and you can give the value of how the sides are related with each other. These, whatever the values I am giving you, they are nothing but called as, they are actually coming from by using the trigonometric ratios. So in the next video we will see how to find out the trigonometric, how to know what are the different types of trigonometrical ratios. Okay, right. So I will catch you in the next video. This is just the introduction part. In the next part we will go through how you measure the angles of a triangle, what are the different types of measurements. Then we will also see the trigonometric identities, where we will see what is sine, what is cos, what is tan. It's going to be pretty interesting. It's like playing a video game, right? See here, once you get the control of mathematics, once you know the concepts very well, it's like playing any video game. You will be more interested to play with mathematics than play video games. Yes, believe me. Okay, right. Let's meet again in the next video. Thanks for visiting. Bye for now.